Hey coach, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm answering one simple question for you about Paperbell that I get a lot in my DMs because people DM me saying, hey, can you tell me more about Paperbell? What does it do? How can I start using it? All that. But a frequently asked question is, how much does it cost? So in case you didn't know, Paperbell actually had a price increase recently. And so previously it cost $50 per month or $480 for the year. Now, effective December 1st of 2022, the price did increase to $57 per month or $570 for the year. So you do save a little money if you pay for the year in full. Even though they did have a price increase, I personally think it's still worth it because you get so many features, and if you're actually, getting paid in your business for clients, that $57 is like a drop in the bucket for all of the things you can do with Paperbell. So in case you're wondering, what is Paperbell? I'm new to this. Why do you keep raving about it? Paperbell is the all-in-one tool that handles payments, scheduling, contracts, as well as client management for your coaching business. So it makes it really easy to get up and running with actually selling your coaching packages or taking booking discovery calls. So whether you're a new coach or you're in the growing phase of your business, you're probably using a lot of tools right now to do a lot of different things. So for example, you might be using Calendly or Acuity to book your calls, right? Then you might be using something like DocuSign to have your contract signed. And then you might be using, just a Google sheet or an Excel spreadsheet to actually keep track of all your clients. So the nice thing about Paperbell is it's going to help you get rid of all those other tools and just have everything in one centralized hub. So I have a ton of tutorials here on my channel about how to use Paperbell. So if you're curious about it, definitely check those out. If you want to get started with a free account, you can use the link in the description of this video. Right now, at the time of this recording, they do offer a free account where you can input up to one client and get started, feel it out, see if it's the right fit for you. And also I've created my own little free Paperbell starter kit. So it's a PDF that you can download. The link is also in the description so that you can see what features it offers and if it's the right fit for you. In case you're new here, I'm Sha-day Johnson and I'm the tech strategist for coaches. I focus on teaching you the tools that you can use to streamline and automate your coaching business so that way you can actually sign clients with ease and no tech overwhelm. If that sounds like what you need, definitely be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is a new year and I finally plan on getting on track and actually posting weekly videos for you. I know I took a little bit of a hiatus, so thank you so much for sticking around if you've been here for a while. It is so exciting to see my subscriber count just growing and growing every day, even though I wasn't even posting any videos. So now at this time, I checked this morning and I'm over 500 subscribers. So that's amazing. I love this community that we're forming, and this community is being formed on YouTube, but we also have a community over on Facebook. I have a Facebook group. It's called the Paperbell Society, Automation Made Easy for Coaches. So that link is also in the description if you want to join us over there. If not, no big deal because you'll also be getting my content here to help you with your coaching business. So thanks so much for tuning in. And if you have any questions about Paperbell or automating, streamlining your coaching business, just leave them down in the comments and I will see you in the next video. Bye.